Are you asking how you can sustain your company's profitability and cut costs quickly? With recent business closures due to the spread of COVID-19, you are not alone. How can you cut costs and see improvement quickly? Here's a few tips to get you started. To get started, you should create a plan for shaving costs. Prioritize the low-hanging fruit. This may start with reducing discretionary and overhead costs. Secondly, understand your cost structure. A company's cost structure consists of different elements impacting a company's overall profitability. Understanding what actions drive up your costs is an important step in eliminating or reducing expenses. Each expense type may have multiple elements and different relationships to total revenues and profitability. In this chart, we identify these elements as types of cost drivers. Third, you want to identify the proportional size of each cost relative to the total expenses or profitability. Again, our chart here demonstrates this in the third column. For example, the total cost of goods sold or direct costs make up 72.8% of the company's total annual expenses. It is helpful to understand your industry's standard range. This will help you create a plan for reducing costs without hurting your total revenues or competitive advantage. Next, identify discretionary costs and research if you can cancel them without financial penalty. These should be the first costs to eliminate. Some examples are meals and entertainment, company profit sharing, tuition reimbursement, or travel. Fifth, determine the costs that have a direct relationship to boosting revenue. Calculate your break-even and understand your sweet spot for highest profit margins. It is important that you do not eliminate or reduce costs too quickly without understanding the impacts to your profitability. Look for future tips on addressing this area. Lastly, begin communicating your plan to cut costs to your company management team, employees, and vendors to set expectations and gain support. Remember that this short-term crisis should not negatively impact your long-term relationships. Err on the side of over-communicating. If you do not already have an accountant or CPA who can help you through this important analysis, please contact us. We provide a free 1-hour consultation and can offer a tool to help you assess your financial strengths and weaknesses. Take a look at the services we offer.